First you find your overlay or texture that you would like to place on the image. For this one I'm going to do a sunflare. I chose this one as it was more on the right side, kind of where I needed to take the focus away from that side. So you hit screen, that will make it transparent because it has a black background. Then you zoom out, you fill it to fit your photo how you would like it to do so. If you need to stretch it in a way that it doesn't do naturally, you press shift, you hold shift, and then you drag, like I'm doing here. And that's the before and after. And that's how you apply an overlay. Thank you.